have a quite short time to start to centre, and you'll notice I centre and open at the same time because you're not really wasting any energy here. You want to get this thing moving as quickly as you can. So it's a question of getting on and doing the job. And that, as you can see, has got me to a stage which would have taken me probably about 10 minutes by hand pinching out a pot. So you've there we go. So straight away you've got a basic pot. Now, if you do come to do it, you will notice that when I'm throwing, I tend to brace my elbows on my knees, and if you're wanting to maintain dignity, this ain't going to do it. Because this is... There we go. So, as you can see, it slows as I go, but I've very quickly got the basis of a pot. There we go, off we go again. Now it's getting to a stage at which, because the clay is thinner and I can really get into it, I'm not putting quite so much torque on the wheel, on the flywheel, which means that I get a slightly longer spin as I thin the pot out, and it allows me to get a real move on making the pot. Now I want to get some of that clay from down the bottom there. Get that lifted up. There we go. And what I'm aiming for initially is a cylinder, basically. I'm aiming to get as tall a cylinder as I can manage. And that way I've then got plenty of clay to work with to form a nice shape. Hold on, oh, that was good. It's alright, they're only pound lamb specs, those ones. That's fine. Right, here we go. Now this is getting relatively thin walled now. There we go. One more time. I'm going to use a rib to just help me to smooth out the surface a little bit as I expand it. You've got makings of a reasonable jug. There we go. So by the end of the day I expect at least 15 of these. So, have any of you guys worked on a stick wheel before? No, I built my first one a few years ago, a stone flywheel one, for a workshop I was doing, for a bit of filming I was doing for Leeds Museum, sort of about a Greek potter. And I thought, yeah, that'll be okay. And, and when I came to use it, I thought, what the hell have I done here? Because I didn't really practice on it before the day of the film. Before the day of the filming, I went down and I go, yeah, I can make little pots. But so feel free to have a go and see what you think of it. But that's now a reasonably thin walled vessel. There we go. Which is so you can sort of see that that's got a sort of quite a lot of give to it. So it's quite sort of there you go. So it's it's a good tool. It's a good machine.